Are you searching for the best vacuum blender? You are in the right place for getting the valuable information on the best vacuum blender. We recommended the top 4 best vacuum blender in this video. All of them are maintaining quality. If you want to buy the best vacuum blender, we think the list will be very helpful to you. Number 1. Nutri Ninja Blender. The vacuum blender comes with a powerful 1400 watt motor and easy to use touchscreen display. The 1400 watts power are plenty to whip you a smooth vacuum sealed smoothie even with the touches of the ingredients like leafy greens and ice cube. The understanding feature of this blender in the fresh pack technology it uses. This model uses a separate vacuum pump unlike the built-in varieties, which is a battery-powered handheld version. The pump is easy to use as you simply place it atop the 72-ounce container for large batches or the 20-ounce smoothie cup for a single serving. Another outstanding feature of this model is the Auto IQ features. This one-touch Auto IQ program comes with 7 pre-programmed settings where one push of the button puts the blender through a series of automatic blending circles. The blender blends, stops and the pulse automatically taking the guesswork out of the blending chorus. The result is creating smooth, flawless and blends every time. Adding to the genuine of the machine, it can also automatically recognize the container size that goes on its base. The accompanying touch screen can they also each vessel's unique menu of the pre-programmed settings. Number 2. Tree-Base DPS 1050 Dynapro Vacuum Blender. This is a powerful commercial blender that distances itself from the competitors with its robust motor, a large carafe and a generous warranty. It can be used at home as well. While it is powerful motor, large container and noteworthy vacuum blending technology makes the blender a top choice for commercial use. It works just as well for getting the job done at home. The robust 2.5 horsepower motor has plenty of power to get through ice, leaf green, frozen fruits and vegetables and more. This blender also comes with an integrated blade to chop out the veggies, ice and fruits as quickly and efficiently as possible. The container holds 64 ounces of liquid, making it is a solid choice if you are trying to make enough for your family or crowd. The blender comes with a vacuum pump which removes extra air from inside the blending container and ultimately prevents oxidations. The pump runs off the batteries and simply connects up to the top of the container. Number 3. Pedo Ozen 500 Vacuum Blender. If you are looking for a vacuum blender that will match your modern kitchen design, then this blender is the right choice for you. Not only does it have a sleek, compact design that will complement your kitchen, their vacuum technology is the most innovative one than the other competitors. The first blend action further enhances the vacuum blending technology. This will give you a pure, fresh blend that are free of bubbles and not too separated. They will not brown and will retain their nutrient content for days in a fridge. They look great, taste delicious and are incredibly healthy. This blender can handle leafy greens and a wide range of ingredients, which makes it perfect for making a smoothie or juice. It is perfect for a simple blending task while it can be challenging to blend solid food or the ice cube. Number 4. Optimum Vac 2 Vacuum Blender. This is a high-speed vacuum blender that uses vortex technology to blend ingredients down to a super smooth consistency while using the vacuum function to suck all of the oxygen out of the blender before mixing the foods with their nutrient intact. This blender features a BPA-free pitchers and separated vacuum blend tumbles, so you can blend directly into the container you will be storing or drinking from. There are 6 stainless steel blades that works to blend your chosen ingredients down to very fine consistency. The blade can be for dry or wet recipes. The motor has 2238 watts of power and there are custom design bearing that decreases the amount of the heat that generated. The high speed of the blender helps you procedure your recipes quickly, which increases the shelf life of your food and reduces the likelihood of your oxidations. That means you get the most nutrition benefits from the foods you are making with your vacuum blender.